What is Project Rearc from the IAB? The IAB wants to develop a new standard to power digital advertising. The goal is to build a replacement technology for third-party cookies. With Google Chrome announcing a plan to block third-party cookies over the next 2 years, and cookies already being blocked by Safari and Firefox, the time is now. The project is called Rearc for the re-architecture needed in developing this technology. The goal is for this new identifier to work on multiple browsers within current privacy standards without third-party cookie reliance. Privacy will be a critical factor in this new solution. Project Rearc is still in its early development stage and might even involve technology that hasn't been developed yet. The proposed ID will consist of an encrypted email address and phone number. It will get passed through the programmatic chain from the publisher to SSP to DSP to the marketer. The project will follow CCPA and GDPR rules. Many questions remain concerning the impact that Project Rearc could have on the industry. Stay tuned for more updates on the IAB's Project Rearc. That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.